Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coin Matters channel. There have been some major developments in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, and we're going to discuss them in today's video along with a crypto price update and a discussion of what's happening in Russia and with XRP. First, I'd like to share with you that rumors of strange goings-on at the Australian Binance crypto exchange are spreading. Let's find out why Bitcoin is selling for $5,000 less on Binance, shall we? I warned subscribers about this a few days ago because some folks have been being destroyed on this crypto exchange. As you all know, the fiat ramps for nance in Australia are closing, thereby severing the country from the cryptocurrency market. You can see that one Bitcoin can be purchased for the equivalent of $22,000 if paid using Australian dollars by Nance Australia. However, the problem is getting the funds there, as some large banks may wish to cut off financing and some politicians may not approve of it. As a result, Aussie dollars may soon become stranded on the Binance exchange because traders won't be able to withdraw them for a very long time. You can watch the price of Bitcoin drop by as much as 21% when converted to Australian dollars. As a result, many investors are dumping their cryptocurrency holdings in $1 before the market there closes in the coming days. Big changes are occurring then. Unfortunately, as you all know, I've come to really enjoy the Purchase Nance exchange. I've been using this for years. It's one of my go-to sites for buying and selling cryptocurrency. The low price is one reason I enjoy it. Incredibly quick. It's simple to operate and trustworthy in every way. To be honest, that's all I'm looking for in a cryptocurrency exchange. The only thing I wish were different about the Binance crypto exchange is the possibility of more cryptos being listed there, since many of the exciting little cryptos require a lot of work to get listed on the buy. Nance exchange. To acquire these, you will need to visit a decentralized exchange, or possibly some other cryptocurrency trading platform. Your familiarity with Nance is terribly regrettable. It's clear that someone got utterly wrecked in this transaction, as Australia is currently practically unusable and impractical for many Australians due to the AUD on-ramps not working and the off-ramps not working right here. It's important to keep in mind that $1 Australian dollar currently equals 82 US cents, and that the value of $1 US has recently depreciated relative to the Australian dollar. Things on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange are getting completely out of hand. It's unfortunate to see, but everyone seems to be trying to get out of here as fast as they can with their Australian dollars before it closes. And do you have any idea how this will affect BNB coin in the long run? It's no secret that I'm a fan of the BNB coin. In my opinion, the Australian market has not been significantly affected by cryptocurrencies because there is not a substantial market for it. I wouldn't say that the BNB industry is a major one, and I see the BNB chain as something of a side project. By now, you're probably familiar with Binance, a smart chain clone of Ethereum that has lower gas expenses and makes it much simpler to launch new cryptos. Thus, I continue to have a positive outlook on the BNB sector. It's distressing to see the state of the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. BIT has left Canada, claiming new regulations as the reason, so keep an eye on it as well. This is a huge blow to Canada, and it's sad to see that Dubai-based crypto firm BIT plans to depart the country to focus on growth in places like Kazakhstan. This means you may be a new customer in Kazakhstan hoping to be bought out while simultaneously planning your exit from the company in Canada. It's unfortunate to see the United States, Australia, and Canada taking such a hard stance on cryptocurrency trading platforms. So, BIT once more suggests yet another credible cryptocurrency trading platform. Furthermore, it's possible that Canadians won't have access to this for some time. BIT announced on its blog that it would no longer accept new account applications from Canadian residents as of May 31st. The crypto exchange will phase out its services and liquidate any other positions by September 30th, giving current users till July 31st to make deposits and raise any existing stakes. I've obtained a link to a Know Your Customer, KYC, international cryptocurrency exchange that they recommend, in light of recent regulatory developments in this area. I utilize Qcoin, the kicker on MX, to stock up on cryptos, and both coins are advantageous at the moment. For this reason, I believe the maximum bonus you can earn with your coins is $3,200 Check out those cryptocurrency exchanges if you'd want to help support the channel, and remember that the current market volatility may allow you to make money both by going long and short. The U.S. presidential election of 2024 is also likely to be a major event to keep an eye on. As you may already know, I don't think Joe Biden has done a very good job for crypto. That's why I'm rooting for a data shift in the Oval Office. There are bound to be some intriguing potential choices. And so, will Trump be re-elected? Is Ron DeSantis in the running? Someone else's crypto optimism, perhaps? Michael Saylor urges to cast your vote for Bitcoin now, but we will soon find out. And for those of you who may be unfamiliar with him, Michael Saylor is one of the world's largest Bitcoin holders. He has a ridiculous amount of Bitcoin on hand, maybe in the hundreds of thousands. And anyhow, he sent out this tweet, asking whether or not Bitcoin supporters will insist that presidential candidates back their voters' rights to Bitcoin before they get their vote. And over 31,000 Twitter users, 83.8%, agreed by saying yes. And gentlemen, if you succeed in making crypto a central topic in the election, you will have done well. I'll let you in on a secret, it's looking up for the crypto industry. Holding Bitcoin or XRP constitutes holding alt currencies. You have BNB, Pepe, and SHIB in your hands. Don't worry about Doge, people. I predict that the 2024 election will be a turning point for cryptocurrency values. Again, we'd like to see widespread use, and we'd also like to see the United States loosen its grip on cryptocurrency. We want people online, we want people trading crypto, and that will be bullish for the prices of cryptocurrencies. Therefore, we hope that governments will stop attempting to ban all these crypto exchanges all the time. But the U.S. presidential election is something to keep an eye on. Keep an eye out for this, too. Thus, a novel Uniswap variant emerged. Richard Hart, a fascinating human being, runs a service called Us.Thanks. He's a fascinating character. Fans of Richard Hart's Hex Pulse, feel free to comment below if you're also experiencing this glitch. As a result, the LP lost millions of dollars in fees. And it's all incredibly fascinating. Always keep in mind that when trading cryptocurrencies, it makes no difference whatever crypto you invest in. This may be the equivalent of a modest launch on the channel. Sometimes we'll even cover fascinating items like meme coins. Even with millions of dollars in funding, like this massive crypto project called Us.Thanks, there will always be some degree of danger involved, alright? As a result, there is always the possibility of exploitable flaws and other mishaps. Or you merely take that into account before investing in the cryptocurrency market. This should serve as a warning to the high-reward, high-risk cryptocurrency business as a whole. So, the global financial situation is shifting subtly in the background. You can expect to see Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, the BRICS, rise to prominence. Where does it go? What does the S even stand for again? It's not Spain, it's not something else either. And I had to look it up on the internet because I had forgotten, it's South Africa. That's exactly right. Hence, South Africa can be seen in the distance, to the south. Thus, significant developments are taking place among the BRICS nations. If the US dollar is to preserve its dominance in the financial world over the next 5 to 10 years, investors should take precautions. Big things are happening with Putin, so you should keep an eye on that. Bear in mind that major financial catastrophes can occur in the backdrop of the world economic scene if Putin and BRICS they gain more dominant. Alright, so that's where a whole lot of stuff is happening. And XRP could be on the cusp of some enormous developments. I've heard rumors regarding XRP, so I thought I'd share. I've been following the rise in XRP's value on Twitter. We highlighted in today's film since we recently haven't updated on XRP, a cryptocurrency whose value has increased by 6.5%. Is XRP poised to see a major announcement? Let's have this conversation right now. Additionally, XRP is experiencing a flurry of recent activity. The number of unique daily IP addresses is therefore close to a record high. Some Twitter users have even speculated that this may be the case in question. Is there any upbeat information regarding XRP? Many people are undoubtedly betting on that for XRP right now. The XRP Ripple, wonderful, great crypto, loads of promise right there, potential to be a game changer, and as you all know, the United States government has been actively suppressing XRP. But we do know, the SEC has merely stifled it. And what else? But will some bullish news emerge regarding XRP? Perhaps this could be inside the framework for the court case for Ripple XRP, and if we do have a favorable ruling for XRP, it can be very, very exciting. If you're interested, you can research XRP's historical prices. You can see it peaked at around $3.40, but XRP is looking to be a game-changing crypto, so if the utility for this actually gets adopted, it could blast out of space potentially, but as always, high reward, high risk, but definitely one crypto to put on your radar. And guys, let's talk about the crypto prices at the time of making this video right now. Here at the horizon level, it appears that the price of Bitcoin is consolidating. If we take a closer look, we can see that we've made some good progress in the last several months. In the longer-term chart, you can check your channel subscription status here. Ragu back here, RAM has all the battle with an FTX and everything else. That's probably when it started malfunctioning. Those crimson cascades are visible to you. However, in the previous few months, we have been rewarded on this level. Bitcoin's value may have dropped as low as $15,000 at one point. Perhaps as many as $14,000, right? Yeah. Over the past few months, things have been looking up, and away from you people. Moreover, my crypto optimism has not wavered. Although the United States government and other governments around the world are attempting to curb the rise of cryptocurrencies, I continue to be bullish on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Taking a quick look at the prices of other cryptocurrencies shows that many of them are also holding up well, with XRP being the clear winner today, increasing in value by 6.4%. Many other cryptos are maintaining a steady course. Also, there was a major development with Pepe, and now he is ranked number 82. There are currently whale sales happening on Pepe, but I'm sure you're familiar with BitBay. You should keep that cryptocurrency in mind because it may soon experience significant growth. Wow, guys, that's a huge change. If you liked it, please consider giving the channel a thumbs up. See you later, bye.